Use a sturdy container to depress and hold the water dispenser bar for 5 seconds. Release the water dispenser bar and wait 5 seconds. Repeat this activity of alternating between depressing and releasing the water dispenser bar for 5 seconds until water begins to flow. Please note, as air is cleared from the system, water may spurt from the water dispenser. Once water begins to flow constantly, continue depressing and releasing the dispenser bar 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off for an additional 2 minutes. This process will produce a large volume of water, likely more than a drinking glass can hold. To avoid overflowing the container, you may empty it during any of the 5-second off intervals. Use additional containers, or use a large enough container to hold the total volume. This completes the process of purging air from your water system, and the water line is ready for use.